I'm going to show you how to complete the activity in Seesaw. So as always, you're going to make sure that you play the instructions before you get started. To get started on your animal, after you listen to the instructions, you're going to click on this tool down here. Click on Shapes, and then you can use the shapes to start making your animal. So maybe you want a circle, and you want a rectangle and a couple squares. Keep in mind that you can always go back and add more later if you didn't grab enough. So maybe you thought you only needed 2 squares, but you need a third square. So you can just click back on that shapes tool, on that shapes button, and add another square. Now you can change the color of the shape by clicking on it and then by clicking on the color that you want. You can change the size of it by clicking on it and then using these little white circles on the side to make it bigger or smaller. You just drag that circle in or out by holding your clicker down. And you can change the direction by clicking on that little arrow. And so then you just move the shapes around to create the animal that you want. After you have finished making your animal, then you are going to use the label tool up here to type what animal it is. I just made up an animal, so I'm just going to write made up. But you're going to do a real animal, so you'll type something else here. You'll type alligator or turtle or lion or giraffe, whatever animal you made. Then you're going to click on the microphone tool and you're going to record yourself telling about the shapes that you used. For my made up animal, I used 2 squares, a circle, 1 big square, and 1 rectangle. So I just told a little bit about those shapes that I used. Whenever you're finished, you can click on the green check to send your work to Miss Rag. Have a great day.